Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. Today we are hooking up our drawable Crochet Baby Rompers designs ideas. Get ready to create a comfortable and stylish garment for your little ones. Hope so you like this video and hope so you like all the ideas, all the designs. So please watch this video till end and please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. These all the ideas are amazing and easy to knit at home with the help of crochet hook and yarn. In this video we will be making a stylish crochet baby romper design. Get ready to create a comfortable and stylish garments for your little ones. These are perfect for any occasion and different seasons. These romper is sure to impress. So please watch this video till end without skip. I will upload it full explain video for you in my next video. So please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas about crochet work and knitting work. So get ready to create all the ideas easily. First, let's start with the foundation chain. Next we will add the pattern and textures. To shape the sleeves, we will use techniques. Experiment with different yarn color and textures. Try using different stitches, pattern or romper styles. Add embellishment like button, applique work, flowers, beads, pearls, stones, pom-pom and different stickers, iron stickers and many other accessories you use and decor your baby's rompers easily. And that's it, your crochet baby romper is complete and ready to wear and ready to gift. If you want to see more ideas about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Keep watching my more different ideas till end and keep praying for me. May Allah will live long, stay happy and stay blessed for me. If you want any question, if you want any idea about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to let my daily routine videos that I have uploaded daily for you. I have uploaded many different type of videos on my YouTube channel, so please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas about crochet work and knitting work. See you in the next video. Hope so you like this video and hope so you like all the collection. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.